Morning class. How are you? I hope you all are fine. This is your math lecture. Book is New Countdown Book 5. I'm your teacher Miss Zoya. Dear students, today we will talk about rules of divisibility. Without doing actual division, rules of divisibility help us to decide whether the given number is divisible by the certain number or not. We discussed rules of divisibility because your next exercise number 2a is totally rely on rules of divisibility. So today we will discuss rules of divisibility so that you can easily do exercise number 2a. Let's start. If we want to know whether the given number is divisible by 2 or not, a number the digit in the if the digit in the unit place of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. If the given number has digit 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 in the unit place, then it is divisible by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even number. Even numbers are those which are divisible by 2. Let's see an example. For example, here we have two numbers 24751 and 32454. We can easily decide whether these two numbers are divisible by 2 or not by observing its number at the unit place. It is 1. Number at the unit place is 1. It is not even number, it is odd number. So this number is not divisible by 2. Second number is 3254554. It has 4 in the unit place, which is an even number. So it has even number in the unit place. So we can say that the given number is divisible by 2. If we want to know whether the given number is divisible by 3, what will we do? We will sum up, we will add the given number. If its sum is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. For 4, if we will observe last two digits of the number, if the last two digits are divisible by 4 or a multiple of 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. If the number ends with 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5. For 6, we will apply both conditions which are applicable for 2 and 3 for deciding whether the given number is divisible by 6 or not. First of all, we will check whether the given number has even in number in the unit place. uh, if it has even number in the unit place, then we will add the given number, and if the answer of given number, if the sum of the given number is a multiple of 3 or it is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 6. For 6, we have to apply both conditions, those are applicable for 2 and 3 both. For 8, the number formed by the last three digit is a multiple of 8. If we want to know whether the given number is divisible by 8 or not, we have to observe its last three digits. If these last three digits are divisible by 8, whether it is a 3 digit number or 5 digit number, 6 digit number, we will just divide its last three numbers. If last three numbers are divisible, completely divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. If the sum of the for 9, for deciding whether the given number is divisible by 9 or not, we will sum up, we will add the given number, and if the sum of the given number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. For 10, the digit in the unit place of the number is 0. All the numbers which have 0 in the unit place, they all are divisible by 10. Okay, students, hope you understand the rules of test of divisibility. you will learn these rules of test of divisibility. If you have any problem, you can ask. Allah Hafiz.